Open a streaming app right after finishing a show, and before you've typed a single search, it's already lined up 3 more that feel unsettlingly close to right. That's not one trick working underneath. It's at least 3 different shapes of guesses stacked on top of each other, and once you can see the seams, you start noticing them everywhere else too. Start with the simplest of those guesses, the one it makes before it even reaches for a number. Classification means sorting something into a bucket you already know the name of. Is this new release, a comedy, a thriller, or a documentary? And every one of those categories exists before the model ever looks at a single frame. The bucket names are fixed in advance, which is what makes this the most straightforward guess a system like this makes, not inventing new categories, just deciding which existing one fits best. It's the same move a person makes glancing at a movie poster and knowing, instantly, roughly what kind of night they're in for. Just done automatically, thousands of times a second, one poster and one bucket at a time. But not every guess the app makes fits into a tidy bucket. Regression is the app guessing a number instead of a category. How many of this show's 42 minutes you'll actually watch, or the star rating you'd give it if you bothered to rate anything. There's no fixed list of right answers here, only a target number and a guess that lands closer or further from it. 38 minutes predicted against 34 actually watched is a small miss, not a wrong bucket. That's what makes regression the harder guess. Classification only has to pick the right label out of a short list, while regression has to land somewhere on a number line with no labels at all to lean on. Push one level further, and the app stops guessing about just you. Recommendation is the deepest idea here, and it isn't a separate trick. It's classification. And regression-style guesses run across everyone who's ever used the app at once. People whose ratings tracked yours, shows classified the same way as ones you already finished, all of it combined into a ranked list of what's next. Nothing new is invented at this level. It's the same 2 shapes of guess from before, just run in parallel across millions of viewing histories instead of one, which is exactly why the ranking can feel like it knows you before you've said anything at all. A category, a number, and a ranked list built from both 3 different shapes of guess, running quietly under one paused screen, deciding what plays next before you've reached for the remote.